Hello guys, thanks for clicking here. So in this video today we are going to discuss about dates, how we write dates in two different ways. First I'll relate this topic with a different topic, then I'll discuss. So guys, in uh, history and culture, we will discuss about past events, study of past events. So in this past events, if we look at the word past, it's related to the time. So time, in this way, we write dates in a two different ways. So here is the word BC, it means before Christ. BC, these two are same and these two are same, before Christ and before common era. AD, Anno Domini and common era. So AD stands for, guys, we take this in the year of Lord born. In that year Lord was born. So we taking this reference of before Christ, and that time the Lord wasn't born. So how do we write the dates? So we write like BC. So first we are going to discuss BC. So if I write 100 BC, after that which dates come? 101? No guys. After that 99 BC, then 98 BC, and so on to 1 BC. So from 1 to 100, how many years are there? So 100 years. So it is called first century BC. If I write second century BC, second century BC, it means from 100 to 200? No, from 200 BC to 100 BC. So guys, there was a question asked in SSC 2000, I think 14 or 15. Mahatma Buddha was born 563 BC. So in which century he was born? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So let's discuss, guys. 4th century, it means from 400 BC to 300 BC. So option A is wrong. 5th means from 500 BC to 400 BC. So it is also wrong. If I say 7th, it means 700 BC to 600 BC. It's also wrong. If I write 6th century BC, 600 BC to 500 BC. So this is the date which comes in between this. So answer C will be correct. So guys, let's come again here. So after the born of the Jesus Christ, the Greek and Roman people, we can say European, make a calendar that was Gregorian calendar. So now today is an international calendar. We all use this, but Indian national calendar is Shak Samvat. It started in 78 AD. Okay, so let's discuss about AD. AD, it means if I write 1 AD, then which date comes after 1 AD? Second AD, third AD, now so on. So from 1 AD, so from 1 AD to 100 AD, how many years are there? 100 years. Okay, no problem. So it is called first century AD. If I write second century AD, so how will I write? I will write from 100 AD to 200 AD. If I write third century AD, it means from 200 to 300. So there was a question, guys. So there was another question asked in SSC, guys. Muhammad Ghaznavi attacked on India from 1000 to 1027 AD 17 times. So in which century he was attacked on India? From 9th, 10th, or 11th. So let's discuss 9th century. So when it started from 900 to 1000, it's wrong, guys. It started from 800 to 900. So this is wrong. And 10th century, it started from 980 to 1000 AD. It's also wrong. If I write this 12, it started from 1100 AD to 1200 AD. It's also wrong. So the one option was from 1000 AD to 1100 AD. So the question number option C will be right. So hope so, guys, you will get it. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking here, guys. So hope so you guys got it. Thanks for watching.